At Buick, we recognize that the retail organization plays an important and critical role in attaining our mutual goals for success. And essential to that role and our team's success is your knowledge of new product information. That's where Action Library comes in. Action Library is Buick's key product training program, and it's a valuable resource of new product information for the Buick professional sales force. Each of the 8 car line modules in the 1990 Action Library will be introduced by Buick employees who are closely associated with that particular product. They share their perspectives on the various new models and reaffirm that Buick is responding to the voice of the customer in both product design as well as marketing strategies. The individual modules also include details covering new equipment and powertrain information. Walkarounds incorporate a specific feature-focused story along with a look at the interior and exterior selections. There's a lot happening at Buick in 1990, like this beautiful, brand new Regal sedan and the long-awaited Riviera convertible. There's a lot happening in the whole automobile industry too. We all recognize that as product quality becomes less distinct among competitors, the most influential factor for success is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction in the showroom as well as the service department. Buick has committed to providing you with exciting and distinctive products to sell, not only in 1990, but in the years ahead. Programs like Action Library will support your efforts in presenting those products effectively. The ultimate satisfaction of the customer, as well as closing the deal, rests in your hands. Recent Buick sales increases and record achievements in customer satisfaction prove that our high sales and customer satisfaction goals are in very good hands. Good luck and good selling in the 1990 model year.
Introducing Buick for 1990. A complete lineup of high-quality automobiles that respond to the needs of a wide range of traditional and contemporary car buyers. Offering uncompromising luxury, exceptional value, and an exhilarating driving experience. The lineup begins with an American favorite, Skylark, offering outstanding value in a stylish compact. Skylark, like all of the 1990 Buicks, reflects the voice of the customer. And this year, Skylark delivers with an innovative interior and a new lineup that responds to the customer's wishes. Best of all, though, it rides like a Buick. Century is Buick's traditional midsize value leader, a car that's versatile, practical, and so very appealing. This year, there are a number of interior refinements that add to the value story. And Century, like many other Buick models, continues to offer an outstanding smooth ride with Buick's exclusive Dynorite suspension, Standard. Buick Regal for 1990 is contemporary and competitive, and the many faces of Regal offer buyers a wide range of choices. Adding to those choices for 1990 are the first front-wheel drive Regal sedans ever, giving buyers a lineup of 6 different Buick Regal models in all. LeSaber's ongoing success is a tribute to its full-size luxury, exceptional value, and outstanding quality. For 1990, it features restyled front and rear exterior styling with a new body side molding, along with the roominess and ride that are LeSaber hallmarks. Electra Park Avenue, the essence of the full-size Buick. Substantial, distinctive, mature, powerful, and roomy. And the Park Avenue Ultra is once again the ultimate full-size Buick sedan, with an interior environment all its own. It's the perfect car for the discriminating buyer. Few automobiles are as distinctive as Riviera, the classic personal luxury coupe. Its beautiful exterior appearance is matched only by the sophistication of its interior appointments. And for 1990, Riviera has an all-new instrument panel with vacuum fluorescent analog gauges. Riviera, it's the classic personal luxury coupe that keeps getting better and better. Riata sets a new standard for uncompromising comfort, ride, and handling in a two-seat personal luxury car. It offers a number of interior refinements, including an all-new instrument panel with full analog gauges. And 1990 also marks the arrival of the long-awaited Riata convertible, available later this year. Specially designed and crafted, the convertible joins the Riata coupe in adding a new dimension of Buick offerings to non-traditional Buick buyers. Wagon buyers look for functional transportation that fulfills a wide range of needs, and Buick delivers with 3 models. The front-wheel drive Century Custom and Limited wagons offer exceptional mid-size roominess and plush accommodations. The Buick Estate wagon is a full-size rear-wheel drive wagon with a 5.0-liter engine, offering generous carrying and towing capacity. And all the Buick wagons feature the appointments and comfort of a passenger car while offering versatility to rival many minivans. America's premium motor cars for 1990. Skylark, Century, Regal, LeSabre, Electra Park Avenue, Riviera, Riata, and wagons. For 1990, the Great American Road never looked better.